What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Backflip, and we're gonna be playing Steal a Flopper. Let's get right into it. Sadly, Casey Mason couldn't join us today, so what is that? Oh, it's Spidey Flopper. No, we just get normal Flopper. Alright, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, my thing glitched. I'm gonna go wait over here. Oh, what's up? He joined us, but I don't think he's not close enough for you to even hear him, so. Okay, oh, what is that? Oh, hey, nice. What is this? Bingus? I think, how does Bingus sound? He goes, no, that's not him, that's gonna make people mad, too. He goes, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. No, Bingus goes, I forgot how Bingus goes. Wait, you've played this game before?
No, I just have a lot of money.
How?
I just collected it from my common swap.
How much?
I got 100,000.
Guys, if you hear me talking, it's me talking to Casey Mason. But he just said he got the money from his normal common flopper, and that gave him like 100,000. So he's hacking. What? He just said the mythics are 100 million. That's illegal. Who flopper? Back in my day, we didn't have the floppers. He said. Guys, write in the comments how much y'all rate my grandpa voice. Back in my day, we didn't have the floppers. It's been a long time since we've seen an appearance on Augustus Demand. Oh, by the way, guys, go over to his channel and subscribe. And if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on those post notification bells so you do not miss another video. Yeah, I haven't uploaded in a while, so I thought I'd just upload it today. By the way, nobody can hear you because you're like on the other side of the earth.
Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Bro, get over here, bro. We need to actually hear you, bro. I'm just waiting. Oh, he's finally coming over here. You can see what we're doing.
Wow.
Okay, he has made an appearance today, guys. Finally.
Hi, guys.
It only took like 1 week.
So much money.
Pumpkin
flopper.
Strike Flopper is wild, bro. He's like so much money. Oh, I don't have enough for him. I'm gonna try and get enough. I don't have enough still.
I'm helping this guy because all his floppers are about to get stolen.
Bro, Casey Mason keeps getting like all the pumpkins, bro. How, bro? You're doing better than
Stay away from my base.
I'm not anywhere near your base. I'm trying to.
Talking to
Oh. Yeah, you can join if you come over here.
get out my base.
Yippee!
Yeah, take that, you
I'm
idiot.
joining.
Alright, y'all might actually. Oh, don't say that word. Nah. Y'all might have to like speak up a little bit.
Played Steel Flopper.
Yeah, that's the whole point. Nobody,
Go grab that.
nobody has played.
Well then,
I need a baby flopper. There we go.
go buy a flopper.
Please nobody still.
Oh my
God,
god. There's a that.
No boots. I have to buy another.
Yeah, there is an index.
Hey, backflip. What is our goal today?
I think our goal is to get to 1 million coins.
I think it should be we either get like a legendary or a myth.
Okay. Our goal in today's video is to get 1 mythic each. We each have to get at least 1. Yeah, at least 1 mythic each. Boink! This is what I'm gonna do to you if you don't subscribe.
Stolen.
Pow. Here you go. Hit the wall, Joe! Joe, mama!
Stay away from my pumpkin!
Did he steal your pumpkin?
He stole both.
I will find you.
Only have one pumpkin. One cowboy does. Gaming flopper. I want gaming flopper, please.
Gaming flopper. I want that.
No, I want it.
I can't get baby flopper. He's too much.
Actually, I think our goal today is going to be Rebus because it's a million cash.
Nah, it's still mythic. We got to get 1 mythic each, and then we fulfilled our
We also
destiny.
need 100 mil, right?
Yes, I think.
You
What?
could just say case and case.
Yo, there's an epic on the track.
How much is it?
It is 102,000. Yeah, we don't have that much. I mean, Casey Mason does.
Weird.
He did. Because somehow he collected his normal floppers money and it just gave him like 100,000. Somehow. I don't believe him. I think he's hacking. We don't have Robux. How would we hack? Like,
No, my gaming flopper got stolen.
your what?
My gaming flopper.
Hey, look, a poo flopper. Y'all should go get the poo flopper. Cause y'all are poo. Yo. Oh my gosh, there's a legendary on the track.
Clown dingus.
Meow, 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 meow.
Yeah, those things are trash.
Sorry.
I totally didn't go to the shop and buy 2 times cash and 100,000 cash for 100 Robux.
You don't even have 100 Robux.
You never had Robux, bro.
We never had Robux. Cause nobody will like and subscribe.
Oh my god.
Even though I do have like 24 subscribers. So
That's too much.
Guys, please subscribe.
please subscribe, bro. We need it. We need it bad. Oh yeah, and go subscribe to Augustus the Man 1's
It's a
channel.
backflip flopper.
Really?
It's a baby flopper.
Hey, get out! Get out!
Augustus the Man, get out of here.
Yeah. This is what I'm gonna do to you if you don't subscribe. Bam! What did you say? Never say that again. That's gonna get us reported.
That's the link down, or comment down, and tell backflip what I said. Okay, comments.
If it's anything weird, I'm deleting this video from the
What did he
internet.
say? What did he
The
say?
comments has to put it down in the below.
Guys, let me stop the video real quick. Let me stop the video real quick. Alright guys, we're back. We're back.
There's a mythic, there's a common mythic fight.
And hey, look, a mythic. Guys, there's a mythic on the track, but we don't have enough because we're so trash.
I'm collecting my floppas. Hey, gaming floppa, can I game with you?
No, because you're a bad boy.
Ditos.
No, you can't have my Ditos, bro. Nobody wants you, bro.
People want me floppas.
You are my content helper.
Bangus. Another video. Anyways, that's on the back foot.
I said, take this back.
No.
That's what I'm going to do to you.
This is what happens if you don't subscribe, guys.
Yeah, that's what happens.
This is what you'll become this baby
Oh.
floppa if you don't subscribe.
Yeah, this is you. I'm you if you don't subscribe. Oof. Oof. There's another gaming floppa on the tracks. You never know, guys. You might just start rap battling you.
You know,
I don't know the name. No. Nope. That's so like 30. That's so like 3 years ago. That's so like 3 years ago, bro. You don't rickroll anyone no more. That's like so old, bro. Nobody does that anymore. Because it's like so. No, it's like so like 4 years ago.
Yeah.
It's like
I have
so.
$1 million.
Ago.
The
No, you don't, liar.
legendary on the track that's 100 million. I can slap back you. No.
Guys, this is turned into a cookie video. Nothing because you don't need. Hey guys, there's a legendary on the track for 65.
Guys, this is what's gonna happen to you if you don't want
They understand. Hey, that's you.
And now you can only.
All right, stop it.
basic slaps do nothing to me.
This floppa looks nothing. This floppa. The blue floppa
Get
looks
him!
like a normal floppa. There's a death floppa for 100,000.
That's-
That's an epic.
You lying.
They want it.
Me. What if I just took my anger out on you every single day? Which I do, but nobody needs to know that. So
Well, they do that. Well, are you gonna edit this?
I'm gonna edit the part where you said that out and this part.
We will not talk about that.
This guy is you if you don't subscribe. Slappy.
Help me.
Smack, smack. Smack.
Me. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep.
Wait, isn't that from the other Steel?
Steel Banger?
No.
Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, nobody subscribed to his channel.
Please.
Nobody's subscribing to your channel because you beg too much. Because you're a little.
My YouTube channel name is.
Guys, I can't wait until I get all my VR and I'm making a video without them. Like immediately. Because actually they're not old enough to be on the Oculus.
Can we get in a private server if it's free?
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video and then
It's 70 logo.
oh, never mind. I was gonna say if it's free then we will update you, but if it's not then like we're just gonna stay here.
Stay in the server.
I need a clown, bro. I need a Gus. Finally, there's a Gus on the track.
The Bingus.
I need that
Why you guys
Bingus.
just went quiet for a minute? I don't know.
He was upset because
Mama said
what?
I think my Doge pooped his pants.
Because he's a poodle.
Because there's a little ground on the back.
He probably did, honestly. Because he's a you. He's you. Because he probably pooped his pants.
No, it's actually videos if they don't subscribe. Nope.
It's actually, y'all, if you don't subscribe.
I'm subscribed.
No, you're
Like
not.
this.
You
This
said
is
you
one
were
of our views right
unsubscribing.
here.
Guys, this is you if you don't, subscribe to my channel.
Smacking
You
these
are
guys
an
that-
elf.
You are a
You have
clown.
elf ears if you don't subscribe.
You're just a normal flopper if you don't, subscribe to my channel.
You're a
If you
baby
subscribe-
flopper if you don't.
Wait,
If you don't subscribe, you'll become an elf. Yes.
if you don't subscribe,
Somebody
Stay away from my face,
if you don't subscribe, this is gonna be you, a hairless cat. Alright guys, I think they understand. Back in my day, we only had Gorilla Tag.
You know I'm gonna be this.
I already have.
Back in my day,
God.
I was cooler than you, and I still am.
I want to buy you for $5.
No, you wouldn't
You
even
need
want to.
Well, I'm too tall for people
Stop
to
it.
slap me.
Stop it. I'm trying to steal this
Let me
pumpkin.
try to slap you, Max.
Poopkin.
Okay?
Pumpkin. Guys, I finally got a poopkin.
I can't do
Finally, I got a pumpkin. Yeah! They're plotting on me.
Guys, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel and Backflip channel, you will become a poo flopper.
No,
You are a
and
poo flopper if you don't subscribe.
to this channel, you will turn into a baby flopper.
You are a baby flopper. And then, right now you're a baby flopper. But if you like and subscribe, you turn into a giga flopper.
I've already liked it. I'm dead.
I have found a diamond, and I am dead.
Guys, right now you are a baby flopper. But if you like and subscribe, you turn into a giga chad flopper.
Like and subscribe. I'm not a giga chad. I'm a baby flopper.
You're a goat flopper.
Because he keeps deleting my...
Sunny and Melon, we're coming for you, bro. We're stealing your quote. You will become goated if you like and subscribe.
If you like and subscribe, you'll become a spy on flopper.
If you like and subscribe,
Help me!
Augustus the Man and Casey Mason get yeeted out of here. Oh, yep, everybody liked and subscribed. Get out. Get out.
Get out!
Get out.
Okay.
Resetting.
Reset.
This is what happened. I think Augustus the main one.
No! I hate the torture room, even though I've been there 5 billion times.
Of course, yeah.
Because I'm a bad boy.
I'm a bad boy.
You're bad.
Oh my, guys, I didn't even realize it, but bro, come try and slap me, bro. Oh, it doesn't work. I thought it was free. I thought the teleport to home button was free. But guess what?
Guys, since I like and subscribe, I'm invincible. I can't be slapped.
Now you're just a
I
goat.
like and subscribe.
If you like and subscribe, you're a goat. And Sunny Melon, we're coming for you.
Just like I am.
Nah, you're short, bro.
You are
Get
not
down to
going
your...
like this.
Let me get down on your level. Gets down on my knees. You're too short.
There's a helmet flopper.
Yeah, but he's like 9 million billion Godzillion Dillion Truxillion. What was that? Did you just poop yourself?
No.
Alright guys, I give up on this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. And if this video hits like 20 likes, we'll do another update on this video.
Okay, you like the
Bye!
Bye.